Hello, how are you? I am Chun Fai, Mr. Fai Handsome from Hong Kong, China. Recent years, I'm very lucky to invited to perform in many countries. For example, Kazakhstan, Russia, Romania, Turkey, and Portugal, and India, Tunisia, Malaysia, Japan, and Thailand. It's my honor to perform and it's my honor to promote the Chinese traditional puppetry. Last year in Malaysia, Kuching, there is the World Puppet Carnival. Many professional puppeteers are invited to perform there. The representative of India is Mr. Dinesh. Dinesh is my good friend. We met in Thailand International Puppet Festival before. Danish is mainly performed the Indian traditional string puppet. It's a very special string puppet style. There's no control bar. He mainly uses his two hands, 10 fingers to control the puppet. He has a very good puppet skill. His show is skillful, traditional, entertaining, and funny. Sometimes he invites the audience to go into the stage to dance with the puppets together. All the people like the show. It's funny, very good. Mr. Dinesh is a very kind and a good person. In Malaysia, every puppet team only perform one show, but he performed 4 shows. Why? It's because he performed for the charity shows. It's no money. He used his own time to perform for the Malaysia children in the schools. It's very good. It's touching for me. His puppet is made by himself. It's very beautiful. If you want to find some international puppeteer to perform for you, Mr. Dinesh from India is one of good choice. See you. Goodbye. 國撐差的撐。